Having a good credit score is crucial in today's credit world. It can affect everything from loan approvals to interest rates. A low credit score can make it difficult to achieve your loan approval, whether it's buying a house, getting approved for that loan, or even starting a business. A good credit score is crucial in today's market. Unfortunately, many people today struggle with keeping their credit score good standing, and that can be a detriment in their financial situation. In fact, in a recent study, almost over 60% of Americans have a subpar credit score. This can lead to high interest rates, loan denials, and it can even harm your insurance premiums. It is clear that having a good credit score is essential to enjoying your financial freedom. But how do you improve your credit score, especially when you're struggling with debt and financial instability? People think that improving their credit score is impossible, but that is not true. With the mindset and with the right strategies, you can improve your credit score. And that's what we're going to talk about today. In this video, we're going to explore practical steps that you can do yourself to help you with your financial freedom. Whether you're struggling with debt or your credit history or just want to improve your credit score, this video is for you. One of the biggest misconceptions about credit score is that they're fixed and that they cannot be changed. But the truth is your credit score is not set in stone. By making a few financial changes in your financial habits, you can actually improve your credit score. Now, we've all heard the phrase, knowledge is power. As far as credit is concerned, this is the truth. Understanding how credit scores work and what actually improves them is a key step in your financial goals. We will explore practical steps such as paying your bills on time, reducing credit card balances, which will help you improve your score. These steps may seem simple, which they are, but they are crucial in helping you achieve a better credit score. Now, checking your credit score is one of the most important steps you can take yourself to help you increase your credit score. Your credit report includes crucial information that you can view to help you understand what is hindering your credit score. By checking your credit report regularly, you can see the errors or discrepancies that are in your credit report, and then we can attack them and find out why they got there, how they got there, and we can remove them, which is a huge step in adjusting your credit score to a better credit score than it was previously. Paying your bills on time is another huge step in achieving a better credit score. Payment history accounts for a huge percentage of your credit score. So making your payments on time is essential to build up that score. This includes everything from credit card payments to loan payments, even your utility bill payments, all come into effect on your credit score. Now, reducing your credit card balance is also crucial for improving your credit score. High credit card balances can negatively affect your credit score, so reducing them can help you improve your credit score. We will explore strategies to help you improve your credit score by checking your utilization and your credit card balances. The key to boosting your credit score is understanding what exactly credit utilization is and how it affects your overall credit. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you are using compared to the amount of credit that was given to you. Basically, it's how much credit are you using against how much of a credit limit you have. Now, keeping this credit utilization level low is crucial to improving your credit score. By keeping your credit utilization level low, this will improve your credit score and you will start to achieve your financial freedom. Another important factor of your credit score is actually your payment history. Payment history also accounts for a huge factor in your overall credit score. So making sure you pay your bills on time is essential. Also important is having a longevity of credit history. This longevity of having a credit history is crucial to improving your credit score as well. But it's not the only factor. Now, by following these steps, you will be on your way to achieving a good financial freedom and actually your financial stability, improving your credit score and improving your overall credit profile. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, check out my information below. You can go to my website. I have a free ebook for you. And thank you for joining and thank you for watching.